guys, today I'm gonna share you my Cognizant interview experience. So I've already shared my TCS digital interview experience in my channel. If you have not watched it, please do watch it. So about my Cognizant interview experience, it was an AMCAT model. So AMCAT model consists of aptitude and debugging questions. Aptitude questions I was able to solve them, but debugging I solved only two. So I was sure that I will only get into Gen Z profile but not Gen Z next. So as I thought, I got interview mail for Gen Z profile only. So this interview mail we got just one night before the actual interview. So we hadn't got much time to prepare for it. Like unlike Infosys and Capgemini companies which gave 1 week to prepare for the interview, this was not like that. We just got 1 day to prepare. So I've just looked into the basic questions and all. So starting when we had the interview, he gave 5 aptitude questions. So these questions were from time, work and distance, speed, distance, like sets related questions. All these were there. So I managed solving them. And next started the technical questions. These questions were first he asked me DDL and DML commands. So while explaining about them, I told him the examples like drop, delete and truncate. So after that, he asked me difference between drop, delete and truncate. And the following up question was, if you perform rollback operation after doing this delete and drop commands on the table, what will be the output? This was the following up question. And then he asked me about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What are the different services provided by cloud? Luckily, I have seen all these questions just before my interview. So I could explain him about IaaS, PaaS and SaaS services. So you can also expect latest technologies in this interview. Like some of my friends were asked about Hadoop also. So next he asked me what is friend function, and then he asked me garbage collection in Java. And then he asked me to abbreviate each and every keyword in the main method in Java, like public, static, void, main and string args. And so this was all about that, and these were the questions. At last he asked me in what field would you like to be interested to work in. So I told I would love to work in data science and machine learning. So then he told, I will put you in testing if you get selected. That was where I didn't understand what he felt. But yeah, most of the people who attended the interview were selected. Like almost 70% of the people who sat for interview were selected, because this is mass recruiter. So if you are still not placed in any company, Cognizant is best one for anyone. It is little easy to crack. So yeah, all the best. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.